Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you've tried to factory reset your iPhone but got stuck because it's asking for an Apple ID password you no longer remember, you're definitely not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 reliable ways to completely wipe your iPhone and get a fresh start. The first method is the classic approach using iTunes or Finder. This only works if Find My iPhone was turned off on the device beforehand. Start by connecting your iPhone to your computer. Next, put your iPhone into recovery mode. For most modern iPhones, quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then hold the side button until the recovery screen appears. Once your device is detected, you'll see an option to restore or update. Choose Restore, and the system will download the latest iOS, completely wipe your device, and remove the passcode so you can set it up as new. If Find My iPhone is turned on, iTunes won't allow you to restore the device without the Apple ID password. In that case, a more effective option is to use a tool like PassFab iPhone Unlock. After downloading and installing the software, open it and select the option to unlock the iOS screen. Connect your iPhone and follow the instructions to enter recovery mode. Once the device is recognized, download the correct firmware and start the removal process. The software will wipe your device and remove the screen lock. Your iPhone will restart at the initial Hello setup screen, completely erased and ready to be set up as a brand new device. Method 3 is to recover your Apple ID password and use it to erase your iPhone. If you still have access to your trusted phone number, you can recover your Apple ID password first. Go to iforgot.apple.com, enter your Apple ID email, and verify your identity using the linked phone number. After receiving and entering the verification code, create a new password. Then, on your iPhone, if you see the Forgot Passcode or Erase iPhone option appear at the bottom of the screen, tap on it and select the option to erase the iPhone. You'll be asked to enter your Apple ID password to confirm and sign out of the device, and the device will be wiped properly. And that's it. Your iPhone should now be fully reset and ready for a fresh start or a new owner. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tech solutions. Thanks for watching.